our position still remains very conclusive. We are determined that the Public Order Act requires that we notify the police, which we have done way back 1st of September. So as it stands now, nothing that stops us from really embarking on the picketing the EC on the 16th of September, come Wednesday, as we have planned. The final converging point, that is the EC's enclave, the police raised issues of security concern as far as the final destination or converging point is concerned. But we have managed to put our case through to establish the fact that we are still resolute. This is not where the president resides. The issue of security, from our perspective, doesn't come in at all. So we are still very consistent with our very letter we sent to them from the day one, and we are resolute and we are firm. The essence of the activity is to drum home the legitimate demand and concern for a new voters register. You would agree with me, this issue has lingered on over a while now. We are saying that as citizens, in spite of the fact that the political parties have been engaged by the Electoral Commission, we reserve the right to embark on such a peaceful public activity or event. And that is our constitutional right, which we are not ready to, let go. We are demanding a brand new voters register as a means to consolidate and to strengthen and deepen our democracy we have started. The register is bloated. It's a dangerous document with which I can't guarantee the success of future elections. It is an issue of national concern and international admiration. So, as it stands now, this is the most sensitive and topical issue. The whole world is looking at us. Are we going to listen to the voice of wisdom? Election management body, Electoral Commission of Ghana, must sit up and listen to wisdom. A new voters register is the way to go.
Okay, so I say about Bameka 1760 text message line. If I bring into me, breaking camera, I be call man so. Na doctor na you. Yede na kotwetwe nkomo ni nyina afa na montua. Let my vote count for say one be kwa konin nam any electoral china nyame ya Adom electoral commission anim ho na they were join try to say voters register nei ewo Ghana no wono etwe electoral commission adwen ba so say enye papa sir. Doc, good morning. Apom to say
good morning, Minya. Apom here.
Bibia come on.
Oh, the economy media. Ya could do a pick bio media come on.
Yabasa area, so but Nyame Adom most people join. Let my vote count for Echina Nyame Adom now.
Exactly. In fact, Nekwebe issue statement support it. The free Ghana for Bon Koko. So we here to see a peaceful election. Peaceful election based upon a clean voters register. There might be a clean election. Now we are a very peaceful post-election Ghana.
But as a more prim hudodo, the MPPD or Asem called down a electoral commission. Onum for anu ye kura mai. I feel the answer said here. Akwanya say national motion commission is a omuntie titu the New Patriotic Party at the down.
The electoral commission can money expected proposals every political parties in thing. Mind you, political parties represent a group of the voting population and as a group of people in the country who believe they want to be political or mobile joining. One political party is one to support it could be election. Members of any political party, but based on the issues that are now, the essence of the demonstration is to give a platform to such persons. They will not. They want to could do it because and yeah, they want to join the political party. They want to submit one ideas to them. And the essence of the peaceful procession is to give a platform to all these people to make crowd placards At that time, when I want to bring the opportunity to speak to the press, when the press, when the Bekasa, in Kenya, I prepare for a balanced representation of opinion to the Electoral Commission. On behalf of them, and I have submitted a petition. In the year again, we are strengthening the core of the proposal by the Electoral Commissioner.
But I don't know my Sankita didn't envy payo. They will see a Jatuma and son and among 2 BTC. Yet to say that said, Chinchina,
one are calling for proposal by 22nd of January, and this is the proposal by the ordinary Ghanaian.
Okay.
Where you are the common Ghanaian and also submit the proposal through this peaceful procession. Into a idea and yes, a prayer, or a idea yama akwenya, ama one susua, one in representation, when they don't be accommodate the Electoral Commission.
Now, I admit now, after I like my vote count, very bad. I'm a person called 1990 Electoral Commission anymore. Now, what the man do this? No, one I'm used to the command.
Australia may your start to brass sport was circle. We expect to start coverage from around 7 o'clock. Now the peaceful train and the new voters register train will move from like 11. You expect is a far traffic light or for Tuesday hop. Now you do on my money. You don't come so next as the Electoral Commission. And we're looking forward to submitting the petition to the Electoral Commissioner.
Doc, I pay my was Jamie Admech na baby, Freddy, Ebe Koso, Manamon to Amutu, Yadasipi, Afak, a year Titani, Dr. Free, and what is it? And nitrogen command.
Also, as our Malabu, and a pair also so of Malabu.
I see.
It's Yan Nasilla Social Mammy,
and I need we need
and Samaso, Anticumi. Also, Tiana Papa, because still I'm response, so I wouldn't know say new and we knew when we knew because we were Pisa we need and cover me as swatting. Happy birthday, and Francoma Kelvin, Donko, Wakosumbo, was say Nyamisha Francis Amano, or so many, and what they buy a happy birthday, and Francoma Francis. Was said, today is my daughter's birthday, Patricia Aqua, father of Kingsley Aqua. Ghana Immigration Service Takrade, please wish for a hair. My worship, Papa.
Okay, so some of your text, good morning, my God bless you, and I greetings to Reverend Menu Foku of Chai Presbyterian Church, and my mother Cecilia, and all Pualugu police personnel. Evans, Kofi Asante, do not for cry your own cry.
Cry your own cry.
Tell President Mama to sack all the contesting DCs, and they will kill the NDC party. Cables will enche. I hold Badwam high and even encourage friends to watch. So please, with all due respect, limit the fun. You make a little more for us, please. Accept this. Faruko Bimbila. And this one says the judges shouldn't bulldoze themselves into not defaulting the bribery scandal. They should be punished. K-Bar for Adrato Kumasi. I love this show. It's too much of everything is bad. The word to wise is enough. I love you. I hope you understand me, especially in Nanaya. Thanks a lot. Ajay Deborah Wakede. God is Love Fan Club members' contribution, meaning their money is still with BOG. And Kranza people has prepared Gangantuan demonstration, which will cost a lot due to their money. In order to stop, we are pleading to the First Lady to come to our aid so that we will stop the demonstration. Please don't mind, Justa has no problem with BOG, yet he's keeping our money whilst we are suffering and dying. Please call the CEO for us. Yaya Osunyane. Okay, we'll do that because we know it's a DKM. I shall say echo. And another one getting through here says that, okay, I was talking about the Queen Mother of Akwatia. And when you train legal professionals at Makola Asem Naba, Oshi Foma, Obia Kaniviachi.
Davina Bafoa, sorry, happy birthday to Davina. Bafoa Asare. Breaking news. A guy has been arrested at Seshi, Abrabra, in connection with the death of gospel-based presenter King George. He claims the spirit of King George is hunting him. And no one seminity a Shikaya or a radio station back home. Obisi Kennedy also addicted to addicted viewer Badwam. Nana, good morning to my paramount chief Nana Obombo of Anyode traditional area in Kwanta South District, Volta region, or the Bayichiana na papa. We are grateful to Multimedia for speaking on our behalf. We are DKM4 and Edenda say Edia Brain Queen Mother Wokumase Nana Efia se Wakobi Nana na pay chow. Say please, and today is my birthday to her name. Benedicta or Paul and I want a happy birthday to you. Nana Efia Ampem Kobi. And pay yet, Papa. Nana Efia Ampem Kobi. Namaku maybe Kobi. Good morning, Nana. You're looking good this morning. Keep it up. Iva and whatever I was seeing Chianikuno and Famano. In Chianikuno Famano say, your vision dear. Nana, good morning. Nana Ato arrived in Wa last night around 10 p.m. Wow. Nana, come and Nana, come and the love for him. Zion, and I would yabana so draw an uncle for a woman and a brow could drill to say yes. Nana, equi papa. JD, and what you was good morning, please. I think it's time Ghanaians know the use of ambulance and EMTs in our country. In fact, the way some people handle sick people in this country was here in your correct to me communipa. We na messages here WhatsApp open Facebook and I abre for Facebook do message for her be kind the amount sa na ma hene kwabena sante wono so ebia Facebook or agbani ke apietus was place the abamu apietus or head you made any be Martin Akwesi ne dey odiaba please ask the government for me what we level 300 in colleges of education eat at teaching practice because there's no allowance for us. So we the teaching practice allowance. Emmanuel and I really like the way you present your show. Kudos, work, hard work. Ima and the far Facebook. The by wow, although the alpha Facebook, my Canada say the page in the Emma. You just have to like my page. Now I feel would want some to me a dear go a dear mind.
Yeah, this year man is a make out say in Deputy Minister Local Government Neil Ante Vanderpoy. And Asem pim niba nimya for Canada Japan and etnase. In fact, you bet me for be mienu bi na me sebe na for pj mu fact for the Kesee airbrain.
Felix our immigration was say and pay which I papa no was share well immigration Asem for so or say we only video me huni pakro. Okay.
I said good morning. Hello, good morning. I said
morning, I'm supposed to say.
I'm not doing
Take the quiet for you now so much.
I said, she be quiet, my hand, and I said, remind him.
I said, be quiet, my hand, you didn't hold your phone. I'll be you.
Okay. Okay.
You say you are quite dumb, you know, so much. I'm not you for me, and I'm a bomb about so. But I quite be good. Now, this year, some assistants, Agina MP, Pano, Honorable Pitaya Quatiaka, as a Agina Renian to about man on Uncle Bua. Now, your time was no man, any bad idea, and when I made a canvas and said, yes, sir, take the question Uncle Wakano, or bar of a county, and as animal to be found. Let's see what's up, and age a camera so crying. Because Obama assistants are quite but could at the end district in him. The drama of Anita Obama on Kai, but some assistants are now quite so.
That's why Tony, electrician, will Buako Kumase. Now, was the program of Fendi Agro Sremiada? Me money demo be anti into Tony Yao electrician will Buaka and a permit of Papa. Will be a man of fans. Tony, or electrician. Oh, Buaka, Mamma fancy, Mamma, Tony, no, 20 years. Was there a money demo be Antonenka? Overall,
Tony, dear, I shall be good morning, I would say.
Good morning, but your mind only have a mapum to say.
Yes, try a palm.
Mamma, when I had you been to our watch east.
This way, Tiana Palm. Hello, yeah, Montomano had you been to. Montomano, Papa, Madame Fuliniano. And yeah, more was Montomano,
party officer, and I. We had got to go to party officer for the birthday amount.
No, be to birthday money, when was some other who is a car. What was the car? I know what they
national headquarters now. I know no case. I know no case.
What was the kind of so many birthday party office no be no. This is in mammy, ne mammy create the birthday. What about my party? Oh, I say.
Oh, but I am a party. Mammy Chaco is not John Jack and a Brown for regional minister. And that's my vote count for no Makasabi. None running on me, me and I got you, Kesee. Onuko UK kura register na alijiwo otaka na alijiwo na ya mimi o man ni coordinator team be say me bisa gadi o che da ku say se so ya priki ni na we Ghana ni let my vote cast no omko yisu no mo bisa yise se gadi o che da ku wa ntano ma bi say mamu me we si Ghana for tamu o man ni na ya mu na tama mo sorry debate na studio wa mo di program ni asai ka tien kwasa live na ni padu do Ghana obi an kwasa live wo say we si man kwata o man ni.
All right, Prince, good morning, Prince. Apom to say.
O my nyame adom e wa ho pa me wa ho den. Na mo so e.
Nyame adom yeti apapa.
O my ma me fa akonya osumfa na libofo nyina ase. Yewura manama. O be launch ni campaign okruma na yewura manama se o da obi bia obeja na nyina ase. Na kupon hire obi bia emle no du a na makai no. Na na ya abrefo emze me ni asave ya be kasa bebre. Na me de me ya ne say o ma yen say wan kasa why di card kutawo enye hwe na meboa
enye hwe
busa na ya brefo so no zo ni di kuta na enye hwe
ba twa da me kem
me so me di kuta me enye hwe se yo go for ba bon tre say yen se sa register no yen se sa ID card no na yen fa fo formula abraham kasa wudutu mu say ukọ kwalebu a enkofo nya mpakura no madaso ukọ kan say kuma say can say conformatia and Gofonia and Pakwana or Madaso. Let's say Sikawa or more president Fessica for just ID card way. Not Sessica way and Concord and yes, say Sessica way. Abra Yanko for the hospital or Munyasa and Pakwan or Madaso. Doctor Focus strike or Muso Munyasica, Mwangasa MPP for Musole, I must say, or my more dinner. After I already say, Musi and Sano, Najan, I already suffer from there. There be a Mujuna Batwam, Muno, money, or mine, maybe or mine, or Mampenny President John, Mama, and
Prince. Prince. Hello?
Oh, my name also.
1 minute. The American say, so be the Asem Kodai, Ubi so on what no has over Tenasia and Chesa on, mine. You're ready, Electoral Commission for. Ebeka ye onema bebre asoma asese ye ebi ni se abato ye ko na ntiase anya adwuma ehun sunsun so ebetimi dia bro man enti tobo ase enkase ebia ya enu hu ehia ebise obi ante ne wase a na ene nyame mpangu na kwa ti ye betimi asi wo saade a asha ase kitu abi uzie no ensempi untimi mfrem wo phone so bi esimi ntimi betena ye nya sangita odi kama enti yen ko ne breo
o my ma ti de commission beka de make ane say o mo ngasa o mo ntina se meye nyira yen fa o man no ye kire o man no man nkonkan enye abato nko na ye se de bia me ya adwene koso because abato na ngasa no e wo ho e na o man na ngasa ye munipa no so e pa adwuma ye saade no man ye se o mo nyira abato Ghana fo nyira me adwene ho ye nye nipa o mo nya adwuma ye de bia ye se sa lodi sa de bia ye sa lodi sa ya nyira o man punto ho eno na ye adwene o mo fa no munim die mfa mo o man panyini panyin mu bo man
ye that's
Tony ya o electrician bi akwa wadaya so wada asapa na we so say wonu so ye nipa o say nana ya me too I'm kwabna nipa from Kofi Asem Ampon me too I'm watching you mention my name enti kwabna nipa ya abodi ya le permit ya papa yeah Edith say happy birthday and come akwasi I'm happy Razak. Happy birthday, Edith.
Nipa and Chela, the chef, Razak. Kwabna nipa Ediachao. It is added here, that we now must say. A brass said Jeffax, Father Roma, a Diago can see a bro, Eco, a Bessetia.